What's the meaning of barbarously? Barbarously. Barbarously.
Barbarously. Barbarously. The term barbarously is an adverb that indicates something is done in a savage, cruel, or inhumane manner, often without regard for ethical or moral boundaries. This word evokes images of brutality, violence, and savagery. It implies a lack of civilization or culture, suggesting a primitive or uncivilized way of life. Barbarously may also be used to describe behavior that is considered to be excessively harsh or extreme, such as punishments or treatment of prisoners.